In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accessibility features in Google Sites. By the end, your site will be easier to navigate for everyone, including visitors, using screen readers or keyboard navigation. We'll focus on three essentials: opening your site, using proper headings, and adding accurate alt text to images. Start by opening your Google site in your browser. If you're working on an existing site, open the page you want to improve. If you're creating a new page, that's fine too. The same principles apply. Keeping accessibility in mind from the start saves time and ensures a consistent experience across your pages. Next, use headings properly to build a clear structure. Headings act like a table of contents for assistive technologies. Your main page title should function as your H1. In Google Sites, that's the large title at the top of the page. Use heading for H2s to mark major sections and subheading for H3s to break those sections into smaller parts. To apply these, click into any text box, highlight the text you want to format, and use the text style drop-down to choose title, heading, or subheading. Keep headings short and descriptive and avoid skipping levels. Go from H2 to H3, not straight to H4. If you just need regular paragraph content, switch to normal text. This hierarchy helps screen readers announce content in a logical order and lets keyboard users jump through sections quickly. Now add alt text to your images so that people who can't see them still understand their purpose. Click the image you've inserted, then choose Add Alt Text. In the description field, briefly explain what the image shows and why it's there. Think about the context. If the image supports a point, mention the key information it conveys. Keep it concise, usually a short sentence or two is best, and avoid phrases like image of or picture of, since assistive tools already identify it as an image. If an image is purely decorative and doesn't add meaning, you can leave the alt text field empty so screen readers skip it, reducing noise for users. Before you move on, scan the page for consistency. Make sure each section uses the right heading level, confirm that headings are in a logical order, and double check that every meaningful image has clear, context-aware alt text. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in usability. That's it. You've opened your Google site, structured your content with proper headings, and added alt text to images. These simple steps create a more inclusive experience and help all visitors find and understand your content more easily.